This is one of the coolest things I've gotten in the past year. Literally cool because it's actually cooling under your eyes. These are amazing. So you just open it up, slide it out. That's what they look like. They're kind of iridescent purple and like a jelly consistency of a silicone. You just put it right under your eye. Try to get as close as you can, but don't touch your eye. Ah, it feels so good right when you put it on. And then the other one, I have to fish it out of here. There it is. You can actually refrigerate these ahead of time too, but I find even at room temperature, they're kind of cooling. And that's it. Now you leave this on for about 15 minutes. You can go lay down, take a rest, or you can start doing your daily routine, or if it's nighttime, getting ready for bed. They stay on your face, and I'll be back in 15 minutes to show you the after. 15 minutes later, I was ready to get myself dressed and ready, chase my kids around the house. You'll notice this one has slid down a little bit. This one stayed pretty good. So I do recommend when you put it on, put it as close as you can, because if you're gonna be active in those 15 minutes, it might slide a little bit. But if you're just gonna lay down, they'll stay totally put. Okay, here's the after. Well, one thing I just have to say is it just feels better than when you started. Your tired eyes just feel so much more soothed and alert. I also love the after because it just kind of gets it feeling a little bit firmer, a little less dark underneath it. I am such a fan of these. I'm becoming one of those people that wants to wear them every single day, and these are among my absolute favorite. These are so good. I love them, and I know you're gonna love them too.